Are you struggling to find just the right tool, only to end up rounding off nuts and skinning your knuckles?
Then you better get a Better Grip, specially designed to never ever slip from the Renovator.
The professional grade Better Grip is finally available to you for home, car, farm and trade. Better Grip cracks nuts and bolts and turns nuts and fittings from 4.5 millimeters right up to 70 millimeters and has all the strength to earn its lifetime guarantee. One-handed, place it onto your job. It automatically locks. One way it grips, the other way it releases. So now you can use it as a ratchet. You can jump to your different sizes faster and easier than any other tool. Plus, no more changing out tools to go from job to job. Like a ratchet, as fast as your hand moves, as fast as the Better Grip can move. 4, 6 or 8-sided, AF or metric, even a nut that's fully rounded off is no match for the Better Grip. It's a fact. They spread apart. They squeeze, they crush, they squeeze. The secret to Better Grip, it works on the flat, always on the flat. Ordinary adjustables put pressure on the corners of the nut and can easily round off, damaging your knuckles. Better Grip works on the flat of the nut and can never round off. And as one jaw pulls, the other jaw pushes to double the action, double the torque, giving you more power and more strength. It's the easiest way to tighten, but it's also the easiest way to undo, especially when it's seized. Pipes are often in the ground or hard against the wall, making Stilsons impossible to use. But watch, come in with the Better Grip at a 90-degree angle, and you can turn that pipe without physically touching that wall, saving you money and frustration. We all need two tools the same size, but ordinary shifters can round off and damage your knuckles. From your motorbike to your push bike, to the rounded, rusted nuts on your lawnmower and jobs around the home. You'd better get a Better Grip, specially designed to never ever slip from the Renovator. How much would you expect to pay for professional tools that turn over 800 different fittings with a lifetime guarantee? Don't answer, because for less than what you'd pay for one heavy-duty pipe wrench, you can get the Better Grip 16-inch Super Power wrench today. If that's not enough, we'll also include the versatile 14-inch and 12-inch Better Grip wrenches. Remember, all these wrenches are certified to deliver an incredible 1.2 tons of shear brake force. But wait, there's more! Be one of the first 17 to call, and we'll also give you the complete home, car and trade set, absolutely free. That includes the versatile 10-inch, the 8-inch, the 6-inch and the incredible 4-inch Better Grip that goes on your keyring, and it's perfect for your car. Better Grip replaces all these tools and turns over 800 different fittings.
And there's still more. If you're one of the first 20 callers, we'll send it by express delivery for free. That's right, free delivery anywhere in the country. But you must call now. And you'll be buying in confidence because your satisfaction is guaranteed with our no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee.
So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Order now by sending us a message right here on Facebook or go to our website at tvshop.ph. We accept all major credit cards, check and COD. Hurry, this offer is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. So Facebook message us now or live chat with us at tvshop.ph right now.